Business owners have two types of mindset. A mindset of abundance and a mindset of scarcity. Today I'm going to discuss how these two different mindsets can affect your business, either positively or negatively. So let's go. If you're a business owner or in a leadership role, your vision and ability to communicate with your internal and external clients is one of the most important aspects of your success. Many times we see business owners with great talent and expertise, but horrible leadership or just crazy communication skills. When you break down the root cause for some of the fears and anxieties, you'll find those leaders who are resilient and confident in their ability to grow their business. They have a strong abundance mindset. Why is that? It's because many of them understand the laws of success. They know that success is based on more than just their current skill set. They build their belief systems through self-awareness, learning new skills, and embracing change. Abundance mindset entrepreneurs are big thinkers. They also see opportunity through failure, and they don't resent other people and their success. The biggest trait we've seen from abundance-minded professionals is that they're very coachable. They don't know everything. They're not a know-it-all, and they're really humble when they're learning. On the other hand, entrepreneurs with a scarcity mindset are always looking at the glass half empty. See, these are the executives who always see limitations instead of opportunities. Leaders who have scarcity mindsets, that mindset will affect the attitude of everyone within the business. It's just human nature for support teams, staff members, and anyone within the company to adapt the characteristics of their leaders. For example, companies that experience challenges, problems, or stress, where the team looks up for the leadership for guidance, see, that team will execute the solutions based on the direction and emotions of the owners. This is when you see good companies make bad decisions based on that scarcity mindset. It's important that entrepreneurs practice self-awareness and work on their mindset. See, within our Vertex business programs, we focus on building a Kaizen type mindset within all the leadership elements. See, we found that implementing a Kaizen way of thinking, executives learn how to analyze the root causes, evaluate their business value stream, and eliminate wasteful activities and strive for daily improvement. If you're not practicing these type of techniques in your business, you may be setting yourself and your company up for failure. So here's some simple tips to change your scarcity mindset to a mindset of abundance. Number one, you need to focus on abundance. Whatever you think about will manifest in your reality. Next, stop taking situations so seriously. I remember when I was faced with a challenge in my first business. It was a recession, and I was losing thousands of dollars each week. I could have easily decided that the sky was falling, but I put things in perspective. It's just money, and money's everywhere. It wasn't easy to do, but it definitely was a coachable moment that prepared me and my family for the second go around, which happened to be a recession as well. Now, during that time, my company made money while other people were failing. Next is learn to appreciate life more. Believe it or not, appreciating the good, the bad, and the ugly is a quick way to put life in perspective. Just having the honor of owning your own business should be enough for you to appreciate all of the coachable moments that come with it. However, it will be hard to do if you're always thinking negative or viewing all of the things that you don't have. Next, get away from negative energy. This is where our Kaizen mindset program kicks in. You have to be disciplined enough to eliminate all of the waste around you. This includes negative energy from other people or other sources, anything who will remind you how difficult life is or how hard something may be. See, this is counterproductive when you could be channeling all of that energy toward growth. Now you want to give it back. It's just the law of nature, I guess. But when you give back, life seems to reward you in abundance. And lastly, remind yourself each morning and every evening before bed how eager you are to see what life has in store for you that day or the next day. You can either journal this information or you can just stick sticky notes everywhere. Anything that'll help you create a new habit of thinking of abundance. Well, I hope this information was helpful. Make sure that you hit the subscribe button, like or share this information if it was helpful to you in any way. But that's my time for today. I really appreciate you all. And make sure that you dominate every single day.